Okay, everyone, we are wrapping up a day 2 here in Milano Design Week, Salone. We did not go to the fair today. As I mentioned in the last video, we wanted to go around the city and look at different things that you have out there. And that's one thing about Milano Design Week. It's not just about the fair. It's about all of the events that are going on around the town.
Yeah.
And those, to me, I feel like are a lot more interesting and more important, especially this year. I'm seeing that a lot of the events that are going around town are a lot more interesting than what I've seen in the fair.
Okay.
So we did stop by the Audi house. They had a installation there that was absolutely beautiful. It was kind of interesting.
Yeah, it was like a event, you know, like with something like moving, and it was so
brooms.
nice.
It reminded me of brooms.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Which was a very interesting.
It was so nice.
And then the biggest thing that we did today, we stopped by Jesse, which is where we are right now.
Yeah.
And they so graciously allowed us to film our recap here. And as some of you know, Jesse is one of my favorite companies. We actually shot 2 episodes of What Makes This Design Great.
They do
showing
all about
some
plumbing.
new products.
Yeah, plumbing, like for kitchen, bathrooms, everything. Yeah.
Just unbelievable products. I love the story of Jesse. I think it's an amazing company. And I have some more information on that on some of my other Instagram and YouTube channels. I've met with many of the people in previous years, and that's how I actually found Jesse, was a trip here to Salone some years ago, and fell in love with the products. So we're going to highlight some of those. Yeah. And I think today was just a great day. It's a beautiful weather here today in Milano.
Beautiful, beautiful. Aperol everywhere also.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Aperol Spritz here, which again was compliments of Jesse. So thank you so much to the amazing ladies here.
Yeah.
And I feel like, you know, today was a great day, and I can't wait to show everybody
the titanium.
New
yeah, exactly. We find out that they have a new line or something that is about all titanium. So titanium is like perfect for stainless.
They're the only company that makes titanium plumbing fixtures
and leather look. Pictures, they look like leather, but it's actually like metal. So it's a nice combination, like Burgundy or wine, kind of red wine color.
And that was one of the biggest things about Jesse that I found when I first discovered this company, is just the beauty of the fixtures, something so different from what I've ever seen before.
Yeah.
And of course, the functionality is amazing, the quality is amazing. Yeah. So we love Jesse. We love their hospitality today, as usual. So thank you so much. And stay tuned for tomorrow's recap on day 3 from Milano Design Week.
Yeah, I say again.
So have a good day.